Hi, I'm Susan. Thanks for choosing Decorating Magic. Today I'm going to take an ordinary piece of glass and turn it into an antique mirror. I'll post the links to the products I use in my video descriptions, so please look for them. The first thing we're going to do is to make sure that our glass is clean and dry on both sides. And then the next thing we're going to do is spritz it with a 50-50 solution of vinegar and water. It's the vinegar that will make the paint resist. Now you don't have to wait for it to dry to use the next step. And I have chosen Krylon looking glass, but there's other products. There's one called mirror paint, and I've even used a silver metallic paint. So make sure your thing is well shaken, and we're going to go ahead and spray. You don't have to wait for that to dry before you spray. You see how it's resisting? Make sure you got good coat coverage. Now we're going to take a dry paper towel and sort of daub it. And I want to twist it around a little bit so it's not the same pattern, so it looks more random. You can do this as little or as much as you want. Okay, you do have to wait for this to dry before the next step, which is to use the black spray paint. Now I've chosen Rust-Oleum in a satin finish. You can use any product you want as long as it's flat and black. Okay, the silver paint has dried, and now the next step is to use the black paint. Make sure that your product is well shaken. And now we're going to spray. Make sure you get it fully covered. Okay, now we have to wait for that to dry, but when it's dry, it should look something similar to this. The paint has dried, and I've put the glass back into the frame, so now I have a nice decorative mirror, or I could even use it as a tray on my table. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.